Hello, my name is Michael Parr, and today we'll have like question time. So I brought four different questions, and we can ponder on these questions. So first one, what do you mean by Herzberg's two-factor theory and how it is relevant to sustainability? So two-factor theory is developed by Herzberg, and there are two main factors: hygiene factor and motivators. We can motivate employees by using these two factors. We need to eliminate hygiene factor, but does not guarantee satisfaction. So it's like a zero, null. Then we also have to give the motivators. Then they become motivated. So this is the two-factor theory, and we can think about how it can be applied to sustainability. Next one is, do we have risk driven uncertainty and uncertainty driven risks? So yeah, and next question is, what do you mean by VUCA and how it is relevant to sustainability? VUCA is an abbreviation of volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. The last question is, why price rises faster than wage? Is it because price is influenced by a number of factors more than the wage? So these are the four questions I brought to here, and I want to see in the comments that how you think about these four different questions. And see you again. Bye.